Hi everybody, want to give you a quick tour of the latest property listed here in Cosby, Tennessee. It is a true log home, hand-hewn logs, and let's take a quick look. We first come in the door. I don't know if you can see it with the lighting, but the stained glass door in the front door is awesome. On the other side, we've got, as we come in the front door, you're looking into the kitchen, the island, and granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, dining area, and to the right there's the living room. Gas log fireplace. We come in to the downstairs bedroom. Big windows let in lots of light. Another overall of the kitchen, living room, dining room area. Boy, doesn't this seem cozy with all the woodwork? See, going upstairs, the huge hand-hewn beam. Get to the top of the stairs, you got a big entertaining area. It opens up onto the upper deck. You can sit out here and enjoy the afternoons. And it's kind of a cloudy, hazy day today, but you can see the mountains right back over there. Now the garden area is community property where everybody in the subdivision can go in and grow their own vegetables. There's a vineyard in there. As long as you don't use any pesticides, you're allowed to grow whatever you like. Oh, one other thing, there is a gate right there, so this is a gated community. Coming back in off the deck, we'll go to the master. Big spacious room. Got a jetted tub. And then the bath. Sitting on the front porch, you've got a great swing where you can get out and enjoy the evening air. The porch extends all the way across the front. Got a big flower bed and a lot of plantings in there that come up for annuals. Go around to the right. There's a big workshop, storage shed. There's a bonus room here on the exterior. This is the reverse of the house, backside. The heat pump, it is a dual fuel system, so it has propane gas backup heat system. They use propane for cooking, hot water, and then again for the backup heating system. It does use heat pump as a primary. This is a corner lot as you come into the subdivision. There's lots of room here, big yard. You notice it's got a metal roof. So what do you think? Looks like something you might be interested in. It is a very quiet neighborhood here. The people here that love it, they enjoy the neighborhood. The neighbors all came over and told me that. So it's just about 15-20 minutes to Gatlinburg, right in the edge of Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Glad you enjoyed it.